Today's title is They Didn't Have It. My computer was making noise when I turned it on. I went online and asked for advice about my problem. Google found some websites and videos that explained what to do. One video said that I should clean the dust out of the computer with compressed air. I wanted to buy a can of compressed air at a store, so I rode to a computer store on my bicycle. They didn't have it. The clerk told me that they only sold compressed air at a large electronics store in the center of the city. It was too far to ride to, so I went home and ordered it online. These days, it is getting more and more difficult to find things at a store, but you can find almost anything online.
There are 2 questions. Please answer them. Question 1. Did the computer make a noise? Answer. Yes, it did. Question 2. Where did the man buy the compressed air? Answer. He bought it online. Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about buying things online instead of going to a store? Example. I think online shopping is very convenient because we can find everything easily, but visiting stores is also fun sometimes. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.
毎日2分で英語耳を鍛えたい方は、今のうちにチャンネル登録をお願いします。